Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. Got a radio here that's been a long time in the making. It's been here quite some time. This is for Thomas in Georgia. Thomas had us repair his RFX 75, repair the installation, add some fans to it, repair the variable power circuit, change both these controls to double stack controls so that this one could be an echo and then the RF power can be right here on the tip and the microphone gain can be in the back. Of course, we did these nitro knobs in the front. We also modified many resistor combos so that we can get bright and dim to look good for the display, the nitros and the meter. Let's check it out. Here's it, right down. Oh, I don't know if you saw the faceplate on here. We put that custom faceplate on. Okay, and that was, I'll put the company for the faceplate down in the comments, let you know who that was. We also did that blue as well. Alright, now, RF power all the way up. 10 watts across the top there. So you're right at 10. And as I turn that, it's hard to do it one hand. As I turn that back, I have a smooth transition down to 0. And up to 10. Peak power, whoops, on a 100 watt slug. Here's 80, 60, 70 right there. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Let's see. Let's mess with this radio here. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to drive his amp real nice. Hello, radio. How about it, 19's my radio getting out today, Breaker? Ain't no truck drivers rolling by Commercial Boulevard. Hello, radio. Break, break. Boy, it's rough out here anymore. Can't hear what the hell he's saying. How about a 25? Can I get a radio check break? Hey man, does this radio sound okay down there? Where you at? I'm up here at Commercial Boulevard and Dixie Highway, right here. It's hard to pull you out, man. Thanks for coming back to me anyway. Screwdriver, we're back out.